Good morning, students. Welcome to Network Security Lab class for 6th semester IT students. So on today class we will be discuss about data encryption and decryption. So let's start. What is that data encryption and decryption? So the basic meaning is encryption is the process of translating plain text data into something that appears to be random and meaningless, that is your ciphertext data. And decryption is the process of converting ciphertext back to the plain text. So before going to discuss about this distinguish between encryption versus decryption, so first we should discuss what is the meaning of cryptography, because this term encryption and decryption is arise from your cryptography option. So cryptography is used to secure and protect data during communication. It is helpful to prevent unauthorized person or group of users from accessing any confidential data. Encryption and decryption are the two essential functionalities of cryptography. So, a message sent over the network is transformed into an unrecognizable encrypted message known as the data encryption. At the receiving end, the received message is converted to its original form known as the decryption. Okay. Now, what is the actual meaning of encryption? So see, it is a process which transforms the original information into an unrecognizable form. This new form of message is entirely different from the original form. That's why a hacker is not able to read the data as senders use an encryption algorithm, and encryption is usually done using key algorithm. Okay, so see this picture. As per encryption, the plain text is there and the plain text is converted to your ciphertext, because the hackers is not able to read or disturb your plain text data. Okay, now next is your what is that decryption. It is the process of converting encoded data in a form that is readable and understood by a human or a computer. This method is performed by an unencrypting the text manually or by using keys used to encrypt the original data. So whatever things is convert from your plain text to ciphertext, again it should be reconvert from ciphertext to plain text is nothing but called your decryption. So see here, as per decryption, you are having the ciphertext from your receiver end. The ciphertext is there, and the ciphertext is converted to plain text with the help of decryption. The key difference is there. What are the points are there? Encryption is a process of converting normal data into an unreadable form, whereas decryption is a method of converting the unreadable coded data into its original form. Okay, and encryption is done by the person who is sending the data to the destination. So sender is use the encryption option, whereas decryption is done at the person who is receiving the data. So from the sender option the encryption is there, and from your receiving end the decryption is there. The same algorithm with the same key is used for both the encryption and decryption processes. Now the question arises, why we should use this encryption and decryption? So some important points are there. So whenever we are working with any organization, so we have to it provides confidentiality of private information. It helps you to ensure that the document or file has not been altered. Encryption process also prevents plagiarism and protects IP. It helpful for network communication and where a hacker can easily access unencrypted data. It is an essential method as it helps you to securely protect data that you do not want anyone else to have access. Now see, on the sender end you are using the plain text, then by using the encryption it convert to ciphertext, and at your receiver end the decryption is there that will convert the ciphertext to your plain text so that the receiver can read the plain text data. Now what is the major difference between these two options, that is encryption and decryption? As per encryption, it is a process of converting normal data into an unreadable form. It helps you to avoid any unauthorized access to data. Whereas in decryption, it is a method of converting the unreadable or coded data into its original form. And how it should be processed? Whenever the data is sent between two separate machines, it is encrypted automatically using a secret key. Okay, so whenever you are processing on your encryption end, whatever the data you are sending in between two separate machines, it is automatically encrypted by using any secret key. And as per decryption, the receiver of the data automatically allows you to convert the data from the codes into its original form. Location of conversion. So the person who is sending the data to the destination. As per your encryption, the person who is sending the data to the destination, that is the location of conversion is there. And as per decryption, the receiver receives the data and convert it. And for example, on encryption, an employee is sending essential documents to his or her manager, and in other end the manager is receiving the essential documents from his or her employees. And whatever the algorithm we are using, so that is your use of algorithm. On your encryption mode, the same algorithm with the same key is used for the encryption and decryption process. And as per decryption, the only single algorithm is used for encryption and decryption with a pair of keys where each used for encryption and decryption. And what are the major function is there? As per encryption, transferring humanly understandable messages into an incomprehensible and obscure form that cannot be interpreted. And on your decryption mode, it is a conversion of an obscure message into an understandable form which is easy to understand by a human. Okay.